In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can do in-place swapping of two numbers in Python. So here I've created a file called pytips.py. py is the extension for Python scripts, and I'll be creating and assigning two variables at the same time. So let's say x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 100. Now here, if I go ahead and print this, it will print x comma y. So the value that will be printed will be 50 and 100. Now if I have to swap this, all I need to do is write x comma y equals y comma x, as simple as that, and then print again x comma y. Now let's save this and see it in action. So there you go. Now x value initially was 50, and in the next run it has been swapped to 100. So next time when you have to do swapping, go ahead with this approach.